Hi, this is Gina, Crafty Grandma Gina. Welcome to the Craft Time Chronicles, episode number 2. I'm formerly known as the Yarny Good News. And if you would like to submit anything to the Chronicles, email me at milesgrandma.jk at gmail.com. The things that have happened this week are we've had a lot of fun in Sharon's Zoom room at Sharon's Crochet Corner. I want to thank Donna for giving me the Yarny Good News. The crochet crowd put out a tutorial for a square-shaped Christmas tree skirt. It's actually kind of cool. You should check it out. On the Hook Crochet put out the Winterberry sweater this week. It's last week. It's very pretty. Patsy's Crochet got a new furls hook this week. You should go find out what she thought about it. Erica Crafty made a fall blanket for her mother. Yarnspiration put out a scarf pattern this week. Sarah Sach put out the Wicked washcloths. They are really pretty. You should go see them. Cynthia's Joyful Creation is doing a block of the week. And Monday she put out the Midwife block of the Love Baby Blanket, part number 19. Nana's Crafty Corner with Donna did a new tutorial of how to crochet a hibiscus flower. The Bitch and Stitches did an unboxing from the Kitchener Yarn Company. That's a tongue twister. Sabrina Melodieuse does a huge yarn haul. Go see all her pretty yarn. Just Another Stitch with Connie. She did interviews with Froggy Winna Knitting and the Paw Ply Guy, Daniel. Scraptastic Yarn. She put out a tic-tac-toe board that would be great for the Boy Toys for Wings for November. It's a very good tutorial. Crochet with Claire, previously known as Bob Wilson's 123, is back and doing tutorials again. So happy to see that. Wow Crochet. She is doing Halloween project tutorials, and she was on number 2 last I seen. An Alaska Crafter, Jan, she put out a new video showing a lot of FOs, all her Halloween stuff. YOH Crochet showed her yarn hauls from Walmart and Joann's. Leonard Duke did a tribute to Leonard Skinner on his channel this week. That one's for you, Madonna. She loves Leonard Duke. She got to meet him. Lisa's Crochet did a yarn haul in the UK while she's visiting her beautiful baby granddaughter, Bethany, sorry. Sherry's Bag of Holding shows what she received from her Florida visit, and also does a little tutorial of how to roast pecans in the air fryer. Also, Lynette, Charmed Grammy Crochet, also showed us a video of all the stuff she got while she was in Florida. They should all be home today. And there's been a lot of them on the road, and I think they all made it home today. I'm not sure if Melly made it home or not, but everyone else I think has made it home. Let's see. Happy Crafty Homemaker put out episode number 124. Go check it out. She always has really nice stuff to show you. Crystal at Bagaudet has been opening up some beautiful and unique Christmas ornaments on the Bod Life channel. And Jada in Stitches put out a tutorial on a very cute project bag that you can carry on your arm. It's really neat. Oops. Now we have the people participating in Vlogtober. I found a couple more this week. There's Arctic Crafts by Bente, Dina's Homespun Fun, Manic Mama Musings, Stitchin' Ain't Easy, no catchy name, Crochet Life and Stuff with Deborah, Alt Knots, Nana's Crochet Ideas, Llama Mama Kayla's channel, Mimi Cat Do 65, Zelda NRJ3, that's Z, Lene Cozy Crafts, The Crocheting House Mouse, Crochet Life, oh, I did that one twice, Crochet Life with Deborah, The Crochet Witch, My Own Utopia, and then new and struggling channels, we have Spring, the Fiber Enthusiast, Chandler Baker, Jonah's Crochet Journey, Crochet Cats and More, Linda Waddle, an Alaska Crafter, Yarn Sensation Crochet Dolls, Elaine Brown, Fostering Crochet by Amber Allen, Judy's Creations in Crochet, East Coast Stitcher, Emma Loves Crochet, My 21 Cents, Zeal's Creations, Stitched by Emma, Randa's Crochet, Crafting Adventures with Amy. Okay, so the cowl's going on. We have Nan's Next Knots. She's on Luck of the Draw cowl number 4. She picked number 2 last week. So if you need to get that done, get ready for next week. There is the 3-color challenge going on. A bunch of people are doing that. The Movie and Stitch challenge. MJ's Off the Hook is doing a beautiful shawl. The Simpson Turnpike cowl is going on still. And Fiberflux started the fall harvest cowl with, or fall cowl with the Harvest Wave shawl. It's a tongue twister too. I'm not very good at those, as you can probably tell. Okay, there's lots of giveaways going on. I will list the channels that I found down below. I'm not going to read them all off to you. We do need prayers still for Karen, a yarn addict with Karen and her family, who lost her brother, who has 4 little children. We also need some prayers still for Bonnie Got Knits. She is home from the hospital, but she came home and she has COVID. Also, her daughter-in-law was in a car accident and needs prayers too. Hyatt's Chris had surgery, and we need to pray for her to have a speedy recovery. She had that surgery on the 19th. And Crafting Adventures with Amy, she has a owie that we need to pray gets better faster. All right. Let's see what else we got here that I didn't read off. Oh, if I can get it open. I do have the podcast schedule down below. I will not be putting links to everybody's channels that I name. I'm only allowed 5,000 characters, and by the time I put everybody's names in, there's not room for their links. I did start a Facebook group for the Craft Time Chronicles, and so I will have the link for that down below, and that's where all the podcast schedule will go, and the live schedule, and the links for anybody that I mentioned today. Thank you and have a great day, and I hope to see you next week. Please like and subscribe, and send me your news. Thanks.